दोर आमचेर पडो सुकणी गेली उडो निस्तें पळयता बुडो निर्मळ आयले गोडो उदकाचे मारून ला उगडले मोगाचे दार मोगाचो गोळ्यान आन पयस चिंतनाचो बार
Of the cloves, whereas the cloves or the long, you'll never find it growing on the main stem or on the side of the branches, whereas the cloves, you'll always find them growing on the tip of the branch like a flower. So nearly 30 to 35 cloves in a big bunch, and they'll always be lemon green in color when they are the raw ones. But as they ripe, they turn into yellow in color, so we have to ripe them and dry them on the plant itself. Because when you dry this spice on the plant, it gives you a very strong taste and a strong smell out of it. But if at all, if you just pluck them and then dry them, they never give you the strong taste, just the strong smell. So only because of their taste, we just have to dry it on the plant itself. A bite because the juice of the cloves makes your gums go numb, and through that you can cure your pain at the same time. But as I was saying about the cloves, you'll always find them on the plant when the plant comes at the height of about 5 meters. Because when this plant reaches the height of about 5 meters, it stops its growth and then only it starts giving us the cloves. The season for the cloves starts from the month of January, February and March. Whereas it takes nearly 2 months to get them ripe, January and February, and in the month of March we dry them, harvest them and then sell them on a spice counter. But at the same time we can also at the same time. But as I said, the oil is always extracted from the leaf, not from the spice. Yes ma'am, it's like normally when we have this spice we try to do about some. So this is the small area so that the and the female. As I said, by looking at their bottom branches, the male will give you the branches going upwards and finally the branches going upwards, and the female will give you the branches going so you can always use the spice and give it at the same time some of the local people then go out with the spice and the crowd. Then you just take about 5 to 6 pieces of black powder. Whereas this is a spice that is always known as the king of spice, but always comes out into 4 different colors like green, red, black and the white ones. It's like the green peppers are the raw ones, whereas the red ones are the ripe ones, whereas the black peppers are the dried ones, but the white pepper always comes out from the red one itself. Because when we have the red peppers like the matured ones, we just have to pluck them and boil them into boiling water. As we boil it, the outer skin of the red pepper falls off and the inner seed is always used as white pepper, which is white in color on the inside. But we normally use the black pepper and spice into cooking back home. Even the black peppers are very good medicine for acidity, constipation or for gas. Say like if you have this problems, you can just take about 2 of the black pepper seeds or 2 pinches of them.
दोनों इधर आजा बेटा
Shrimp. That was chicken.